Hi, this is Arun and welcome to Arunpedia. In my last video, we saw about the changes in the new recruitment pattern of Capgemini, and in addition to that, we have got few more information, and in this video, let's see what it is. So in this video, we will be seeing about the rounds that gonna take place in the Capgemini's recruitment pattern. We'll be seeing about the list of rounds. Second, we're gonna see in detail about the cognitive gamified aptitude test in detail and also with a sample question. Number 3, what is pseudocode test? And number 4, eligibility and other details about the recruitment process. First, let us see the order of rounds, which will be as follows. First, technical MCQs, which is nothing but pseudocode test. So you will be given a technical based multiple choice questions on coding. Second, you will be having cognitive gamified aptitude test. Third, communication test on English, which is of multiple choice again. Fourth, behavioral competency profiling round. Fifth, technical interview, which will be followed by the HR interview. And each test will be an elimination type. Second, let's see what is cognitive gamified aptitude test is. These aptitude tests are designed in such a way that it looks like a game. For example, please look at the following question. In this, you need to find the symmetrical counterpart of the image that is provided by clicking the boxes. I mean, you need to check out the boxes so that the answer you provide should look like a symmetrical counterpart of the image that is provided, and it is more or like a game. It is a game-based aptitude test, and to practice these kind of game-based questions, you can try the following Android app, which is available at free of cost in Google Play Store. So now we will see about pseudocode test, which is nothing but multiple choice based questions on coding. So it's a technical round, which will be the first round of the recruitment pattern, and in order to progress to the next level, you need to clear this pseudocode test. I think it is expected that the pseudocode test will be of same type when compared to the last year. Last but not the least, now we will have a quick look at the eligibility criteria and other details. The upcoming Capgemini recruitment drive will be only for the colleges who have partnered themselves with Capgemini for the day one hiring process. So once this day one hiring process for these partner colleges gets over, based on the requirement, the Capgemini might go for a off-campus drive as well for other colleges, but it's not sure. It all depends upon the how this day one hiring process goes, right? And for these partnered colleges, the first round of recruitment will happen on 26th of August, that is 26th of this month. And the eligible courses are BE, BTech, CSE, IT, ECE, EEE, E&I and other circuit branches. And also MCA students are eligible. The eligibility criteria would be 60% throughout academics right from your class 10. So for BE, BTech students, class 10, class 12 and your degree, you need to have 60%. And for MCA students, class 10, class 12, your UG program followed by MCA, you need to have 60%. And you should not have any active backlogs. So students with active backlogs are not eligible. And you can have up to 1 year gap in education after class 12. So maximum 1 year you can have a gap in your education after your class 12. Any gap in education more than 1 year, you are not eligible, right? And in my last video, many have asked about platforms where they can practice these kind of gamified tests. So here is one such platform called Placement Season, who offers a complete package on Capgemini's updated pattern. And I'm just providing their website and other details in the description. You can go there and check, and you can look at the cost for which they offer this package. And they also provide a free mock test on August 9, 2020. You can try that and you will get a clear idea about the Capgemini pattern. And thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel for more information on Capgemini's recruitment. Thank you.